Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Monday, April 27th, and I just want to highlight some of the learning goals for today and a couple new things added to our distance learning board for fun this week. So, of course, up top stayed the same. You still have your daily announcements from Miss Sampson, the optional daily calendar for the kids to do. Login information is up here. I added all of Miss Sarah's mindfulness lessons, so if you missed one from a previous week, you can tune into those. We'll do our Google Meet on Wednesday, and it'll be Hawk Pride Wear that day. If you scroll down to Monday, it is Spirit Week this week at Prairie View, and today is Jammy Day. So if you've got your jammies on, you can go ahead, take a photo, add it to your Seesaw journal, and press the little glow button, and Mrs. Reining will publish that to the blog so you can see each other in your jammies today. And something else that's super fun that the kindergarten teachers, we love to do every year is we do a countdown to summer with all the kinders, starting with the letter A, going all the way to the last day, which is the letter Z. So make sure you click on this link and check out the activities for the letter A day today. Then for math, we're doing combining objects and pictures. We're finishing this up from last week. So here's your warm-up. There's a practice page in your workbooks or a game, and then there's a challenge game as well. Day one for reading this week is going to still be needs and wants. I believe we're in week 3 now, so we'll be finishing this up this week. So work on day 1 for comprehension, day 1 for phonics. There is a CSAT activity and a new chapter for Magic Treehouse, which I think I have to switch that out with Judy B. Jones. So I will work on that while you work on the other activities. Social science, social studies, and health, oviparous animals, and then writing, you're going to write about an oviparous animal. And if you've never heard that word before, you're going to learn something new today. Easy Write practice, I have also added Easy Write number practice. I noticed some students are still flipping numbers, so I thought, well, let's have a little lesson on remembering how to make them the easy right way so the students can watch the video and practice at home. All right, I think that is all for today. If you have any questions, concerns, you can reach me on Seesaw email. Give me a call. Have a great day.